Welcome to Cook with Bok! Today I'm going to make, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Kag wala po kapanyaga, kag nagutom na ko. Today I'm going to make Monggo Soup. So, ako niya version, this is my version of Monggo Soup. Because it's so difficult to look for all the complete ingredients ng Monggo Soup sa Philippines nga style. Na, ang laban ni Filipinas, amo niya ang ginahimo, amo niya ang mga ingredients. Ini ang ingredients, kaya sa akong Monggo Soup, ako niya. This is my own version, okay? So, here's the ingredients of my Monggo Soup. I have garlic, onions, and tomato, bagu beans, kalabasa, talong, spinach. Actually, hindi ko I'm not a fan of frozen vegetables. Pero hindi ko lang kita sa spinach sa supermarket subong. So, frozen lang spinach ang gamiton ko. And baboy, kag manok. Well, you will say, oh, it's strange nga may baboy, nga may manok. Kamali akong style. Gusto ko yung may baboy. Gusto ko man may manok, nga ako ng monggo. Let's begin with my Monggo Soup. My Monggo is now boiling. We wait until it's soft. And then we saute it with a good garlic and onions. Oh, I forgot this ingredient. You also need to put ginger. In a pan, I'm going to use a little oil. Yes. And wait until it's a bit warm. This is now my Monggo. Okay, we will saute the garlic, onions, and the tomatoes and our meat together with our meat. Saute the garlic, and then put the onions. Saute the onion and garlic. Put your tomato. Saute it. Put your meat. Saute it with your garlic, onions, and tomato. Put a little soy sauce. I love soy sauce. Yeah. And then cover it. Let it cover it for about 5 minutes. Put the ginger, arugula, mix it, cover it again, and leave it for another 3 minutes. Make sure that your meat is a bit brown before you put your Monggo and saute it with them. Now it's a bit brown. My meat is brown. It's time to put Monggo in. Wait, So, na-learn ko ni sa father ko na mas namit kaya gisahon ang Monggo tupod sa imo nga baboy. Okay. So, muna ni siya, isahon mo kadali ang imo Monggo pud sa imo nga meat. Cover it. Cover mga 5 minutes. Slow fire, slow fire. And now I put a little water in my Monggo soup. Now I need enough water, and then let it boil again. Wait for about 2 minutes. Oh, it's actually boiling. We can now put our kalabasa. Put the kalabasa in, arugula. Let it boil until the kalabasa is soft. The squash is soft. And now I put in the eggplant. And then I'll put the bagu beans also. Oh, spersiebonen, it's called spersiebonen in Dutch. Cover it, and then let it boil until the eggplant and the what do you call that? The spersiebonen, the bagu beans is soft. Now I put my spinach in. This is going to be a very healthy Monggo soup. Ladies and gentlemen, this is my beautiful Monggo soup. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Toodaloo!